Hello everyone, we are the Stock Up Finance team, your corporate finance and investment analysis experts, back again with yet another video on the fundamental analysis of a stock. In this video, we are going to discuss the India's largest engineering and construction company, Larsen Toubro, a company which we have already discussed in one of our analysis a few months. From that time, the company's share price has now increased to 1415 rupees, which has generated 30% return in the past 7 months. The company has released its quarter 4 results for FY21, and we are going to understand the fundamentals in case the company still has an upside left in it. But before proceeding further, do subscribe to our page for such analysis in the future on fundamental analysis of the companies. Now, looking at some of the financial metrics of the companies, let us first focus on the most important one, which is the order inflows and order book. The order inflows stood at 1700 billion rupees in FY21, which is 6% less as compared to FY20. But the company does show a strong order book which stands at more than 3200 billion rupees, which is 8% grown from the FY20 levels. The company has shown a slight EBITDA improvement from 11.2% in FY20 to 11.5% in FY21. But the most prominent improvement is in the profit after tax of the company, which has increased from 95 billion rupees in FY20 to 116 billion rupees in FY21, which measures at whopping 21% growth year on year for the company. Over and above, the company's board has recommended a final dividend of rupees 18 per share post the divestment of its electrical automation business for the financial year 2020-21. The company's order book has remained strong and the order prospects pipeline remain healthy for FY22. Large and diversified order book provides a healthy visibility of its revenue, and the FY21 order book is a result of strong momentum that it picked up in the second half of the year. The quarter 4 ordering book was mostly driven by the infra projects, hydrocarbon projects and heavy engineering projects. Lately, there has been a lot of talks about the impact that the companies are creating on the environment. So, let us focus on something that a lot of investors do not know about this company, L&T's sustainability strategy. And it focuses on the green portfolio of the company, which happens to contribute more than 25% of the revenue to the company's portfolio. Also, the company has focused on energy conservation, which is growing at a rate of 10% year on year. The company has also reduced its carbon emission by 5% in direct GNG emissions intensity, and the water conservation has been up 10% intensity reduction and 5% rise in water conservation of recycling. There are some of the green portfolio projects that the company has undertaken, which include waste management, solar power plants, hydro projects, transmission and distribution, metro, green buildings. Another important aspect in favor of the Larsen and Toubro is the increase in infrastructure capex in the budget that is announced by the government for FY22. There will be a huge investment that will be going into the infrastructure development of the country, and most of these projects are will be rewarded to L&T being one of the major players in the industry. Hence, we might see an improvement in the order books and the share price of the company. So the final question is, how much growth are we expecting from the company? How much value that the company can generate over this year, and what can be the target price of the company? Larsen and Toubro, despite all the good fundamentals that it holds in the market, we believe that the target price of the company could be 1700 plus rupees. That is, it can reach up and beyond 1700, and this marks a 20% growth in the next 6 months. And this is what our analysis say. So we ask you to go ahead, do your analysis and invest in the company if you find that the opportunity exists. All the best.